Okay. The Mr. Chef is back in the kitchen.
Cooking again in the kitchen, yep. We're making spaghetti for supper here.
That's already...
Yeah, already got the noodles in there cooking, warming up the hamburger here, browning up the hamburger. We'll be adding some onions real quick and making a salad in our steamer. So, yeah.
Looks good.
Yep, looking good. Yeah, looking good.
So this is ground beef.
Yep.
And spaghetti is here.
Yep.
Okay, this is gonna be yummy. I'll be back later, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Always after these, we're going to check the pickles here. Oh gosh, I didn't put a date on these when they were canned, but it's got to be...
Last year.
Yeah, well, close to 4 months ago. Curious to see, and I can see that we've got peppers in there. We got garlic in there. We got dill. So this could be quite a combination.
Oh!
Yeah.
That's hard to open.
Yeah, I need a knife here.
Oh, very good.
And you should hear the
Wow.
nice seal on it.
Yeah.
And those can be cleaned.
I use that.
Wow.
Sour? Huh? Wow, the smell, darling, so strong.
Sour.
Oh, it's like mango. Smells like mango. Let me. Ooh.
I know you won't like them.
Let me try.
They're very sour.
Not really, darling.
Yeah, not bad. It came out good.
Tastes good. But that's big. Tastes good, darling. You did a good job. Wow. And the taste is perfect.
This is the sour dills.
Oh, you add dill there. I'm going to plant more dill. Wow.
Well, that makes a pucker. Woo!
It's not really sour. Wow. And you add garlic. You add garlic here.
Mm-hmm. And peppers.
Yeah, pepper.
Came out.
Onion.
Oh, really good, but they got a little bit of a bite to them. But I like these are what we call the old-fashioned American dills.
Mm-hmm. That's good to partner in meat. Barbecue.
They'll make you pucker. Woo!
Your stomach will be sour too. Wow, good job. Success. Tastes good. There you go.
And they go in the refrigerator, of course, after you open up.
Yummy.
Very good.
Crunchy. Appetizer.
It's been a long time since I've really tasted the old-fashioned dills, but wow, came out so good. So more cucumbers will be growing. I wanted to see how these came out before we started planting. But yeah, it depends on the style of the cucumber and
It
the
should be a
variety of
little one like
cucumber.
this, oh.
But here, let's try. Grab that. Give me the fork here. Grab that. I want to try the slices here. The slices are soft, not crunchy, but like I said, that's the variety of the cucumber that you get. And of course, in the Philippines here, you haven't got a lot of choice. They don't have what they call canning cucumbers or pickled cucumbers.
Tastes good. Yummy. Once pickle.
But very good. Very good. Wow, I'm
Yeah.
so happy with how they came out.
Whew.
And yeah, a little bit of a bite to them. And that's with the peppers and the garlic in there. But
Chili, did you add chili here?
add what?
Chili.
Yes, and those are our chili peppers. Our own personal.
How?
Yeah, they got a little bit of a bite.
Hot. But it's perfect. Tastes good. That's hard to open.
Good.
Whew.
I think we're done here.
Let's open the spaghetti, guys. Oh, wow. Yummy. I like it. So many tomatoes, stuff, tomato sauce. Wow. Let's eat, everyone. I need to cover this one. Philip finished eating now. So I'll be the one to eat here. All kinds of mess here. That's all left. It's okay. I just finished feeding the pig and cooking the dog food. Look at little guys. So big. Little, she have a big belly. Tin lang ka. Uy, where are you going? And that it's like big. Are you hiding? She's hiding. That it's so big. Lang, you look like pig now. Uy, she hide. Anyway, Bye guys, thanks for watching. Please share, like, comments, and subscribe.